In this video I will be unboxing the new Minelab Equinox 900. I will be looking what's inside the box and of course how the detector looks like. Let's do this. Alright, here it is. The Minelab Equinox 900 box. Here you can see all the settings you need to know about the machine. I have made another video about these settings and every detail you need to know, so I'm not gonna go through those in this video. You should check that one out if you are interested of that. The packaging looks really good. Let's flip it around this way that we can open it up, and let's open up the box, and it's empty because I already have it set up here on the table. I might or might not have been out metal detecting already with the Minelab Equinox 900. Look at this machine. It looks beautiful. I already have everything set up. Here I have the 11-inch coil on the machine right now, but in the packaging there is also included the 6-inch coil, which is great that they have included this one also. And what else we have? Some kind of safety information details, screen protector for the machine. Then in the box we also have small getting started guidebook. This is just a one A4 with some pictures of how you can get started, quick start and the search modes. And of course we have the headphones as well. The headphones are the Minelab 85, I think the MD85. The Equinox 800 has the MD80, so these are a newer version. They have made some updates on the headphones as well, so that is amazing. Some kind of guidebook for the headphones. Cables, we have the USB charger, USB-C this time actually, if you look at that, and the input here, USB-C charging nowadays, so that is actually great improvement as well. The other cable we have in the box is this, that you can set it up with cable as well if the battery runs out when you're out detecting. Hopefully it doesn't do that. Never used these in the Equinox 800. And of course we have the charging cable for the Equinox 900. Let's look at the detector more closely. The Equinox 900. Compared with the 800, it looks a bit the same. The buttons are a little bit better, they stand out a little bit more here, so it's easier to push them actually. And the hand guard, or the hand whatever it is called, is the same as in the Manticore nowadays. Easily adjusted with the press of one button and much sturdier than Equinox 800 actually. And the shaft is completely same as in the Manticore. I really love this one. You can adjust the length easily with 2 clips, and it's much sturdier now. It feels much stronger actually. And then the improvements that they have made also compared with the 800 is the coil strength here on the edge. I know because my coil in the Equinox 800 broke once, but now it looks much stronger. This screw here is actually an improvement as well. It's much easier to untie it and tie it back together. The first impressions of the Equinox 900 here on the table is that the Equinox detectors look pretty much the same. The control panel looks the same, but the buttons are better and the shaft is much better, and it looks sturdier, much stronger. I think they have also made a little bit of improvement on the handle here, a little bit smaller actually, which is much nicer. So first impressions for the machine, I really love the shaft. Another addition that they have made on the Equinox 900 is a flashlight that you can turn on and off. Especially good if you're metal detecting underwater on or in the darkness, of course. I just love how this Minelab Equinox 900 looks like. This looks amazing in my opinion. This is the first video of many about the Minelab Equinox 900 and all the Equinoxes actually. So you should hit that like and subscribe, and you should watch my next video where I will be talking about the display and the control unit of the Equinox 900.